Antonio Ramon Delgado is an American attorney and politician serving as the U.S. representative from New York's 19th congressional district. The district includes most of the southern and eastern suburbs of the Capital District as well as the majority of the Hudson Valley and Catskills regions. He is the first person of either African American or Latino descent to be elected to Congress from upstate New York. Delgado was elected to the House of Representatives in 2018, defeating incumbent John Faso, and he was re-elected in 2020. On May 3, 2022, Governor Kathy Hochul selected Delgado to serve as Lieutenant Governor of New York, likely to be sworn in by the end of May. Delgado was born in 1977 in Schenectady, New York, to Tony Delgado and Thelma P. Hill. He is of African American and Cape Verdean ancestry. Delgado has a younger brother, Keto, and grew up in the Hamilton Hill neighborhood of Schenectady. Delgado attended Notre Dame Bishop Gibbons High School and played for the school's basketball team as a forward. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.